So we will add new component to this assembly. We will create one more part in front of this object. Sheet metal part. We will start with rectangle as usual. We will center this rectangle. At first add dimensions 150 millimeters and 500 millimeters. Now center this rectangle to our coordinate system. Finish sketch, create sheet metal part. Okay. We already have material. Now apply flange. $15 okay. One more time, but just for these two edges up and down. $15 again. Now we have this gap here that is too big. We want to make it smaller. We go to modify, sheet metal rules, and edit rule. Now for a meter rib seam gap, we can choose that it says thickness divided by 2, so it's twice smaller, so as this. Now we will unisolate this element to see how it looks all, and to apply joint. So we have this new part, joint this part, this point to this point, but it is slider selected. We want it to be rigid, and okay. Now it moves as we want. It is placed as we want, and it moves as we want.